According to a study published in the journal Science Advances, since the early 1990s, increasingly extreme heat waves brought on by the global warming have cost the global economy trillions of dollars, with the lowest carbon generating and the poorest countries suffering the most. The glaciers are losing 58 billion tons of ice every year, equivalent to the combined annual water use of France and Spain, and are responsible for nearly 5% of the observed global sea level rise. This means that the glaciers at Yellowstone and Kilimanjaro National Park will likely vanish by 2050. The World Health Organization's most recent data estimates over 4.2 million people prematurely die each year due to long-term exposure to fine particulate outdoor air pollution, referred to as PM 2.5. The United States and the European Union plan to unveil a joint agreement at the UN Climate Summit to step up efforts to reduce emissions of potent greenhouse gas methane from the fossil fuel sector. The European Commission is planning a large-scale industrial farming of seaweed across the continent's shore. The goal is to farm 8 million metric tons of seaweed annually by 2030. This could help reduce food, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and biofuels and sequester carbon. A new environmental bond act was passed in New York, which allows the state to borrow $4.2 billion in bonds for clean energy projects to upgrade water infrastructure, reduce the risk of floods, and preserve parks as well as open spaces. According to a new report by Capgemini Research Institute, even though organizations recognize the sustainability requirements and most have announced net zero commitments, there is still a gap between long-term ambition and short-term concrete actions.